Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset OBS Studio to default settings. This is super useful if you're experiencing crashes, glitches, or performance issues, or if you just want to start fresh with a clean slate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Run dialog on your Windows computer. To do this, click the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, simply type the word Run into the search bar. This will bring up the Run application as one of the search results. Next, you'll see the Run app appear in the left panel of your Start menu. Go ahead and click on it to open the Run dialog box. This is a quick way to access various system folders and settings without navigating through multiple menus. Now, in the Run dialog box that appears, type %appdata%, making sure to include the % signs on both sides. After typing this in, click the OK button. This command will take you directly to the app data roaming folder on your computer, which is where OBS Studio stores all of its configuration files, settings, and profiles. Once the app data roaming folder opens, look for the OBS Studio folder among the list of folders displayed. When you find it, double-click on the OBS Studio folder to open it. Inside this folder, you'll see various subfolders and files that contain all your custom settings, scene collections, profiles, and other configuration data. This is essentially where everything related to your OBS setup is stored. Here's where you'll reset everything. To select all the contents inside the OBS Studio folder, highlight all the folders and files by clicking and dragging your mouse, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A to select everything at once. Make sure every item is highlighted before proceeding to the next step. With all the files and folders selected, look at the top of the OBS Studio folder window. You'll see a Delete button in the toolbar at the top. Click this Delete button to remove all the selected items. This action will delete all your custom configurations, settings, and profiles, effectively resetting OBS Studio back to its default state. And that's it. The next time you open OBS Studio, it will automatically recreate these folders with default settings, giving you a completely fresh start. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.